Yes, hello guys, welcome back again to this tutorial, and thank you very much for watching videos here. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can check which Android application is consuming high amount of data in your Android phone. So follow the steps and watch this video from the starting to the end to see and know how you can solve this if this happen, or if you are having any Android application which is consuming more data in your Android phone. So if you didn't subscribe to No Max TV, please subscribe here to this channel below. On the subscribe button below, turn on notification bell button so as you always notified when we upload a new video here at No Max TV, and like this video, share this video to our friends, and if you have any question or suggestion, please leave it in a comment section. So without wasting time, let's get started. So now I'm going to proceed with exploring settings option in my Android phone. I'm going to open my setting option. As you can see here, this is a setting. So I open setting. So and every Android phone or every smartphone is having setting option. So I'm going to open setting option here, and after opening setting option, also I'm going to open this network and internet. So when I open network and internet, I see there are various options here in my Android phone. You can see I have a mobile network, I have a data usage, I have hotspot and tethering, I have SIM cards, I have a VPN, I have airplane mode. So what I need to do here, I need to come here on this third option, second option, which is data usage. So after opening this, I click on this option and open this. As you can see, I have the total amount of data that has been used on my Android phone. So it is the total amount from this date of 24 March up to April 23rd. So this means that the internet that has been already used in my Android phone. So it is 1 month also, which is considering 2.15. So 2.15 GB, which can be used on this time. So now they are estimating. What I need to do here, I need to scroll down here. You can see there are various options. If they are also showing me Wi-Fi data usage, by using wireless fidelity, I have used 3.25 GB since March 17th up to April 14th. So what I need to do, I need to come scroll to go back at the top and show you. So now the data usage here, I click on this option, which is mobile. So as you can see, also you see it in Android phone, which is showing mobile data usage, where it is going to show you every detail for the data or the internet data that have been used in Android phone. So I click here, open it. After opening it, you can see various applications in my Android phone which are consuming a high amount or more data in my Android phone. So they are consuming more MBs in my Android phone. They are consuming more internet but data in my Android phone. As you can see, this Chrome is the first one. So you can see this is the second one to consume. So you can see this is the third one also to consume. You can see this is the fourth. So they are arranging themselves as this. As you can see here, UT Studio is the sixth one. So Facebook Lite is the seventh one. WhatsApp is there. Also, if one they are following one another in chronological order, so from ascending to, so from the one which is consuming more data to the one which is consuming also data of few amounts of that. So now what I need to do here in order to turn off this or to release this application to continue consuming more data, I need to open here, click on Chrome because it is the one which is consuming more data, and I can show here the categories that are being consuming the internet data or MBs. You see the total now is 314 MBs, and in these 340 MBs there is the one which is for foreground and the one which is for background. So background means the internet data that are being consumed due to that your application is running on background of your Android phone or your smartphone. So if you want to turn off this option also, as it will be consuming, or the data that will be consuming is gonna be reduced, also you need to turn off this option, because you see now this option is turned on. So you can turn off this option so that the internet data that was being consumed by this application is gonna be reduced. So I turn this off. Once I turn this off, it means that only the internet data that is going to be consumed is the one for only for ground for this application. So I can do this also to various of application. For you to be also go, I can even turn off this, because you see now I have 6.95 MBs that are being consumed or have been consumed due to its learning in background. Also, I can turn this off, so as this application will no longer now continue to consume data. So here you see WhatsApp business is the same as now. I can choose to do this if it is running in background, so I can reduce this internet data that is getting consumed by this Android application. As you can see now, they are now data that are being consumed because of the application functions in your Android phone. So in order to reduce this tension, you need to minimize or to reduce the performance or the functions of this application or the activity that this application is gonna perform in your Android phone, because even learning in background also is not going to help you do anything with this application. But also if you decide to turn it off, it is going to help you manage your MBs or internet data, so as you not be wasting your data without using them. Please make sure that you are using your internet data for the purpose of your own goal, so as you cannot be using data without knowing. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any suggestion or issue, please leave it in the comment section. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any question to ask us, if you wish any video to explain or to make for you, or if you have any content that we can make for you. Also, thank you very much. Subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and turn the notification bell button, so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at No Max TV. Thank you for watching.